In this video, we are going to learn about capsules. Capsules are the solid unit dosage forms in which the drug substance is enclosed in either a hard or a soft soluble shell which is made up of gelatin. What is this gelatin means? Gelatin is mainly used in the manufacturing of the capsules, which are mainly obtained from the collagen by a hydrolysis process. There are mainly two types of gelatin, type A and type B. Type A gelatin is mainly derived from the pork skin by acid hydrolysis. Type B gelatin is mainly obtained from the bones and the animal skin by alkaline hydrolysis. Blends are used to obtain gelatin solution with viscosity and bloom strength characteristics desired for the capsule manufacturing. Here, encapsulation of the medicament remains a popular method. Here, capsule dosage forms are more preferable. Why? Because means they are tasteless, easy to administer, easy to handle, easy to fill, they are flexible. So because of all these advantages, it is one of the most popular solid unit dosage form. There are mainly two types of capsules, hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsules. Here, hard gelatin capsules mainly consist of two sections, that is cap and a body. The cap is a smaller portion and a body is a larger portion. These capsules are filled by introducing the powder material into the larger end or a body of a capsule and then slipping on the cap. These are mainly used to fill the solid material, powder or granules. Here, hot gelatin capsules mainly contains 16% of water during storage. What will happen means, when the humidity is low, the capsule becomes brittle. When the humidity is high, as a result, what will happen? There is increases in the chances of the moisturing of the capsules, and as a result, the capsule will become flaccid. So the storage conditions are needed to be preferable. According to the IP, we need to store the capsules. Here, there are so many additives are included in the preparation of the capsules. Gelatin capsules additives are mainly coloring agents. First additive is coloring agents. So these coloring agents are nothing but the identification agents used to identify the product, and sometimes these coloring agents will protect the product from the light sources. Example E122 and E127. And the next category of additive is processing aids. Processing aids like surfactants. So they are mainly helps in the gelatin to take the shape of the molds. And third one is performance aids like flavoring agents. These are nothing but flavors. These are helpful to improve the patient's acceptance. And fourth one is preservatives. As the gelatin is a good media for the bacterial growth, hence a preservatives are needed to be included in the preparation of the capsules in order to protect from the bacterial growth. Example, sulfur dioxide. Gelatin extenders. These are mainly used to reduce the quantity of the gelatin needed per capsule. Example, hydroxyalkyl starches. And another type of additive is a protective coating. So these are mainly used to improve the capsule stability and prevents the capsule sticking. So all these are all the additives needed to be incorporated in the preparation of the capsules. Coming to the manufacturing of the capsules, and the first metal molds at a room temperature are dipped in a hot gelatin solution. So in the manufacturing process, first prepare a hot gelatin solution which is needed to be gelled to form a film. This is then dried and cut the length and removed from the molds, and then the two pieces of the parts are joined together to form a capsule. So this is the clear outcut of a manufacturing process of a capsule, and nowadays it is an automatic process. So in the manufacturing process, the first step in the process is the preparation of your raw materials. Here a concentration solution of a gelatin, that is 35 to 40% according to IP, is preferred using in a hot water at 60 to 70 degrees centigrade in a jacketed pressure vessel. So prepare a solution of a gelatin like this. After this, stir the solution until the gelatin gets dissolved. After that, a vacuum is applied in order to remove the air bubbles if any present in the solution. After that, transfer the content to a suitable container, and then add a dyes or any pigments, and then we get a colored solution. After adding the dye, what will happen? We get a colored solution. After that, we need to measure the viscosity of the solution in order to control the thickness of the capsule. So adjust the viscosity by adding in a hot water to adjust the thickness of the capsule. After that, adjusted viscosity preparation transfer to a heat holding hopper and a manufacturing machine. And then hypomellose solution is formed. To that, add a gelling agent, and now we get a gelling system. Okay, this is the final preparation ready to make a capsule. So here we are using a manufacturing machine to prepare the capsule. So we will see how the machine will be. The manufacturing machines are approximately 10 meters long, 2 meters wide, 3 meters high. It mainly consists of two parts which are mirror images of each other. One half of the capsule cap is made, and on other half capsule body is made. So here the machines are divided in two levels, that is upper level and the lower level. The molds commonly referred as the pins, which are made up of a stainless steel and are molded in a set on a metal strip called bars. These are approximately 50,000 molded pins per machine. So now we will see the sequence events in the manufacturing process. The front end of the machine is a hopper called as a dip pan or a pot. This holds the mixed quantity of a gelatin at a constant temperature between 45 to 55 degrees centigrade. The capsules are formed mainly by dipping the set of the molded pins into the solution. So observe the diagram. So these are the sequential events in the preparation of a capsule. A film is formed by gelling on the surface of each mold, and then these molds are slowly withdrawn from the solution and rotate during their transfer to the upper level of the machine in order to form a film of uniform thickness. So after that, the pins are then passed through the series of drying kilns in which the large volume of the humidity or air blows over them in order to dry the gelatin sheet. These dried films are cutted to the length properly, and then the two parts are joined together and complete capsules are joined together, and then molded pins are cleaned and lubricated for start of the next cycle. So this is how we will get the capsule. The assembling capsules are not fully closed at this stage and are in a pre-locked position, held together by indentations on inside of the cap walls, which prevents the falling apart before they reaches the filling machine. So the capsules are now passes through a series of sorting and checking processes. They may be mechanical or electrical to remove any defective ones. And then the quality levels can be checked at this stage by military inspection process. Collect the samples and check if there is any defective one or not. After that, if required, capsules are printed at this stage using edible inks based on the shellac. Here the printing information may be on name of the product, logo, identification code of the product. Sometimes strength is also needed to be printed on the surface of the capsule sheet. Capsules are finally packed for the shipment in moist proof liners, heat seal aluminum foil bags in a cardboard cartons. Empty capsule properties. So here empty capsules mainly contains a significant amount of water that acts as a plasticizer for the film essential for the function. And a standard moisture content for the hard gelatin capsule is 13 to 16% weight by weight. At lower level of humidity, what will happen? They loses a moisture. As a result, the capsule gets brittle. At high level of humidity, what will happen? They gain the moisture. As a result, the capsule gets softened. So maintain a correct significant levels of humidity during the storage. So the storage conditions are needed to be followed according to the IP in order to overcome all these problems. And then standard moisture content for the hypomellose capsule is 3 to 6%, and they lose moisture, they do not brittle. Gelatin capsules are readily soluble in water at 37 degrees centigrade, and the rate of dissolution decreases when the temperature falls below this. Below 26 degrees centigrade, they are insoluble and absorb your water and swell, which is an important factor to take in account during the disintegration and dissolution tests. And the next property is the capsule size. Hard gelatin capsules are made in a range of sizes. The standard industrial one is 1 today for human machines range in sizes for 0 to 4. Here the capsule sizes are from 0 to 4 and their volume is given in this table here. To estimate the fill weight for the powder, the simplest way is to multiply the body volume by its tapped bulk density. Fill weight for the liquid is calculated by multiplying the specific gravity of a liquid by capsule body volume multiplied by 0.9. This is mainly used to prevent overfilling and spillage of the liquid during the mission movements. So there are so many types of materials which are used to fill in the capsule, that is dry solids, semi-solids and liquids. Dry solids like powders, pellets, granules. Semi-solids like thermosoftening mixers, space thixotropic mixes. Liquids like non-aqueous liquids are needed to be filled in the preparation of the capsules. This is about the hard gelatin capsules. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel for the more videos.